to go shoot at Ferrari Manhattan. I have this F40 shirt on from Car Archives, and I figured it was appropriate to only shoot in Ferrari. I'm meeting up with Kat, who is my new assistant, and yeah, we're gonna go take some photos. So we're breaking into a hotel. It's so nice. I know. They're watching us on the cameras like, what are these guys doing?
It's interesting. I really wonder.
In the rain. Waiting for it to pass, and then we will get a taxi, go uptown to Mercedes, shoot this second look from Lioness, and then that's a wrap. We're like in Willy Wonka. Oof. I used to have so many of these when I was little.
Really?
Yes, wait, these ones.
I had webkins.
What are they? Yeah, I had webkins too. Yes. What are these called? I forget them. Beanie Babies.
Yeah, maybe.
Comment if you had a Beanie Baby. Some gummy bears for the road. Even though they're hard as rocks. The interior is so nice for 2017. So cool. When he says he's 6'2". When you're a gym rat. What's up, guys? We are heading to a very spontaneous haircut. I'm just bored with my hair. Yesterday when I had my hair in the bun, my bun is way too big, and we just gotta trim it down a bit, you know? What's for dinner, chef?
Pasta Alfredo.
Wow. What's in it? Chicken?
And peas.
And peas. Topped with what?
Parmesan.
What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. I am back home in Long Island. I'm about to go shoot this outfit for Sisters and Seekers, but before that I got some packages in and thought I'd show you guys what I got in the mail. So I'm shooting a few pieces for this brand. They sent this t-shirt. I think I'm going to style it with a pair of jeans, kind of tuck it in, and then wear it with one of the bags that they sent, which I'm going to show you now. I feel like I needed it's not broken. It just came out of the little socket. Yeah, so I needed a black bag. I didn't realize that I don't really have black bags, so I thought this was a cute basic to have, and it has this cute little card holder right here. Then the second bag that they sent is from this brand, and this packaging is so nice. It comes with a dust bag over, and this bag I picked out because it kind of reminds me of the Gucci Jackie bag and also the new Prada bag that's really popular right now. Really nice. I like this little detail too, it's different. So I feel like this shape and color is just trending, and it's nice to have in the summer and fall. And then the next thing is from Fourth and Reckless. I also always love their packaging, like, so nice. And this is for a collab that they have with Jordan Sloan. Okay, sick. What a great photo. I love these little magazines too. I know that they do that with their collabs. This piece I am obsessed with. So this is a set that I picked out, and it's, and it's actually sleeveless with, I'm pretty sure it was shorts, if I remember correctly. Yeah, a cute pair of shorts. So I'll definitely have to shoot that soon. And then the last one that I got in is from one of my friends, Blake. He just launched his new brand. I believe he started off with socks, and I actually wear his socks all the time. So cute, so nice. So what he just released are his leather goods, and I was so excited to see the packaging because I saw a few people open it up on Instagram. Like, what? This is so nice. Okay, wow, even just this box feels so nice, like high quality. So let's open it up. It comes with this inside. Okay, that's so nice. Wow. How sick is this card holder? I actually needed a new one, so perfect timing. So thank you so much, Blake. Definitely go check out his new brand. It's insane. Oh, and also the inside is pink. Yeah, so that's it. Just a quick little unboxing today. So thank you to all of the brands that have sent me something. I am always so appreciative and grateful to work with such amazing brands. So thank you again. We are back. I actually just got another package in the mail to complete the jean outfit that I was showing you before. Heels in. They kind of look like Bottega. They're super cute, square toe. So yeah, so I will be pairing these with the outfit. And yes,